slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means the slope will be given. The slope of the line is given as m. Tick mark means it is given to us. Slope of a line is given and y-intercept is given. Y-intercept means it is the point at which the line cut y-axis. It is the point at which the line cut y-axis. Let it be C. So we have a line. We have a line having slope equal to m. We have a line having slope equal to m given. We have a line having slope equal to m and y-intercept equal to C means cut y-axis at C. These two are given. Then what will be the equation of the line? The proof is not required. Equation of the line, please write down. Equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. Derivation is not needed. It will not be asked in exam. Please memorize, this is said to be slope-intercept form. This form is very, very important. The slope-intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. So you please write down. The question will be like this, convert to slope-intercept form. The question will be like that. An equation will be given, you have to convert to slope-intercept form. Hence find slope and y-intercept. The question will be like that. I will discuss, don't worry. So all of you please write down. Shivani, Deva, Ashlin, say that you join right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write down. Slope-intercept form means slope of a line. If you have written, no doubt, raise your hand. Say look here, the slope is given, y-intercept is given. This will be the equation of the line.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Done. Completed? Okay, okay. So, let me discuss questions. Third exercise, I will discuss. I will discuss the selected problem only. ശിവാനി കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഞാൻ പ്രോബ്ലം എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ശിവാനി സ്പീഡ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം കേട്ടോ, ഞാൻ വേറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. ശിവാനി. Okay, this I am discussing the last exercise of this chapter. Reduce the following equation into slope-intercept form. The question will be like that. We studied slope-intercept form. It is y equal to mx plus c. What is the importance? This is the question. Okay. Reduce the following equation into slope-intercept form. Hence find slope and y-intercept. So a line is given x plus 7y equal to 0. Let me start with the question number 1. A line is given x equal to x plus 7y equal to 0. We have to find we have to express in slope-intercept form. Hence find slope and y-intercept. So what is slope-intercept form? The slope-intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. The left side should be m. Okay, in slope-intercept form, when you write, the left side should be y. So left side, we have to keep the left side as y. So let me rearrange x taken to other side. We get 7y equal to minus x. I want y in the left side. I want y. So the 7 taken to the other side. Y equal to minus 1 by 7x. So remember, y should be there in the left side. Right side must be mx plus c. Mx is already there. I got mx. C is not there, so you just put 0 there. If you put 0 plus 0, that does not make any difference. So y equal to minus 1 by 7x plus 0. We can compare with the slope intercept form y equal to mx plus c. What is the application of this representation? If once you express in y equal to mx plus c form, we are able to find the slope. This is slope. So from the equation of the line, we are able to find the slope. If you express in y equal to mx plus c form, you will get the slope from the equation of the line. So m equal to minus 1 by 7, which is slope. Mx plus c, this is c. C means y-intercept. The line cut y-axis at 0. Understood? So this is the question. The first one is done. So slope-intercept form means the left side should be y. The right side must be mx plus c. By comparing, you will get the slope and y-intercept. So all of you please write down. If you are okay, return, raise your hand. If you are okay, return, raise your hand. Shivani finished. Devasri finished. Said okay. Ashlin okay. Now let me discuss the second one. So the main application is we are able to find the slope. Y-intercept we have another technique also. The slope is the important thing. So from equation of the line we are able to find slope. The second question is 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Equation of a line is given. We have to find slope and y-intercept after writing in the form slope-intercept form. You have to keep you have to keep y in the left side. Y alone in the left side. Let me put keep 3y in the left side. Other two terms taken to right side. All of you please remove your raise hand. Other two terms taken to the other side. The 6x becomes minus 6x. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. Complete. And the third one chedo. Okay. So I want y. So this 3 taken to other side. 1 by 3. Understood. 3 taken to the other side, it becomes 1 by 3. You can open the bracket. Minus 6 by 3 minus 2x plus 5 by 3. Let me complete the solution. After that you can ask me doubt. This is of the form y equal to mx plus c. So the slope of the line is minus 2. So this is the way we find the slope from the equation of the line. And y equal to mx plus c. This is c. That is y-intercept. The line cut y-axis at 5 by 3. Understood? So all of you please write down. If you are okay, return, raise your hand. Ashlin, എന്തെങ്കിലും doubt ഉണ്ടോ? Ashlin, ഇത്രയും പറഞ്ഞത്.
No, sir.
Clear ആണ്. ശിവാനിക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയോ? y equal to 0 എൻ്റെ ആൻസർ.
Sir, M0, C0.
അതാണ്. യെസ്, കറക്റ്റാണ്. ശിവാനിക്ക് ഞാൻ വേറൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. അത്ര വലിയ ടഫൊന്നുമല്ല, എന്നാലും ഇതിൻ്റെ സ്ലോപ്പും വൈ ഇൻ്റർസെപ്റ്റും കാണണം. ശിവാനി കേട്ടല്ലോ? സിമ്പിളാണ് ആൻസർ പറയണത്. എന്നിട്ട് സോ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു പ്ലീസ് ലിസൺ. ലെറ്റ് മീ ഡിസ്കസ് ദ തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ദെൻ. Let me discuss the third question. Y equal to 0. We have a line y equal to 0. Then no calculation required for this. Y equal to 0. Y is already there in the left side. Y is already there in the left side. No arrangement needed. Right side should be mx plus c. So how can you express 0 as mx plus c? 0 can be written as 0 into x plus 0. What is this? 0 into x is 0 itself. 0 plus 0, 0 same. Why I am writing like this? Now it has a look of y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Slope of the line is 0. And y-intercept is also 0. So what does it mean? Y equal to 0. How it is line? Yes, it is a straight line. Y equal to 0 is actually represents x-axis. Why y equal to, the graph is not required for this problem, but to understand what is the meaning of y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means it simply represents x-axis. Line understood, passing through x-axis, coincident with the x-axis. This line has the equation y equal to 0. Why this line has equation y equal to 0? Because if you take any point on this line, y value will be 0. That is the reason. If you take any point on the line, x value changes. X value changes, but y coordinate will be 0 if you take any point on x-axis. So y equal to 0 actually represents x-axis. Okay, just for your understanding, we got the answer. Okay, we got the answer. So the slope equal to 0, y-intercept is 0. So all of you please write down. If you have written understood, raise your hand. And diagram is not important, not required for this question. Shiva, എനിക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയോ അതിൻ്റെ?
Yes, sir.
എത്ര കിട്ടി സ്ലോപ്പ്?
2/3.
വൈ ഇൻ്റർസെപ്റ്റോ?
-2.
അതെ കറക്റ്റാ. ഓക്കെ, say the you are writing finished. Say the finished. Ashlyn, okay, completed. Devasri,
Yes, sir.
Devasri, completed.
Yes, sir.
Next is this one. Okay, second one. So you understood slope intercept form. This is another one. Another one. Reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations into intercept form and find their intercepts on axis. I think you forgot what is intercept form. Do you still remember that? Intercept form means we have a line. We have a line cut x-axis at A, cut y-axis at B. A is said to be x-intercept and B is said to be y-intercept. The equation of the line we studied in the previous class, x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the equation of the line. So x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is said to be intercept form. The number below x is said to be x-intercept, and the number below y is said to be y-intercept. We studied already. So here in this question we have to convert each equation into intercept form, hence find x-intercept and y-intercept. The first one I am going to discuss. All are easy questions. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. We have to convert to intercept form. Please look here. In the intercept form, the right side is 1. When you express in intercept form, please keep in your mind that right side is 1. So if you are able to make right side 1, then it is almost intercept form. Try to make right side 1. How can I make right side 1? There is a way. Minus 12 taken to other side. The left side will be 3x plus 2y and the right side is 2r. I want the right side 1. To make right side 1, there is a way. Dividing each sides by 12. Dividing each sides by 12, I can make right side 1. You can reduce. 3x by 12 will be x by, x by 4. 2y by 12 will be y by 6. And right side is 1. Now it is interceptive form. Now it is interceptive form. The number below x is said to be x-intercept. The number below y is said to be y-intercept. So you can write x-intercept equal to 4. Interceptive form is written. Y-intercept equal to 6. One advantage in expressing in interceptive form is we are able to draw the graph. The one benefit is if you express in interceptive form, the advantage is we are able to draw the graph of the line. Why? Because I got that x-intercept equal to 4. X-intercept equal to 4 means the line cut x-axis at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood. The line cut x-axis at 4. Y-intercept 6 means the line cut y-axis at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a rough graph, okay? X-intercept 4 and y-intercept 6. So the benefit is this. If you express in interceptive form, you can draw the graph easily. Okay. So the method is clear. Make right side 1, we get interceptive form. Okay. So please write down. If you have any doubt, you please ask. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Devasri understood. Shivani okay. Say the clear. Ashley okay. Can I delete? You have written, right? Let me delete it. You have written. Now the second question I am discussing. I will give you a separate question. Okay. Let me discuss a few problems first. I will give you a separate question. Shivani, this മുഴുവനും കഴിഞ്ഞാ പറയണം കേട്ടോ Shivani.
Sir, കഴിഞ്ഞു.
Third one കഴിഞ്ഞോ?
Yes, sir.
എന്താണ് third one ന്റെ x intercept y intercept എന്താ?
So 0 plus 3y by 2 is equal to 1.
അതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ x intercept y intercept ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് third one ന്റെ.
Okay, sir. ഒരു minute.
അത് ചെയ്യേ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ all of you please listen. I want to convert to interceptive form. Make right side 1. Make right side 1. For that purpose, divide each side by 6. I want to make right side 1. 4, 6, 2x by 3. I will write one additional step, don't worry. 4x by 6 reduces to 2x by 3 minus y by 2, correct, equal to 1. Is it in the form x by a plus y by b equal to 1? No, not correct. X by a I want x by a. Can I write 2x by 3 as? Can I write 2x by 3 as? X divided by 3 by 2. Can I write like this? Yes. 2 go to the numerator side after taking reciprocal. 2x by 3, same. Now it is x by a. Plus is required after that. Plus y by b. The negative sign can be taken to denominator side. There is no mistake in that. Negative can be taken to either numerator side or denominator side. The negative sign taken to the denominator side. Now it is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. The number below x is said to be x-intercept, and the number below y is said to be y-intercept. The advantage of the intercept form is we can draw a rough graph. This drawing the graph is not necessary to make you understand the importance I am discussing. X-intercept 3 by 2. X-intercept 3 by 2 means it cut x-axis at 3 by 2 or 1.5. Y-intercept is minus 2. Cut y-axis at minus 2. Minus 2 will be in the negative side of y-axis. So x-intercept is 3 by 2, y-intercept is minus 2. This is the required line. We get a rough graph of the line, okay? This will be the line. So please write down if you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Devasri, clear? You understood. Devasri. Ashlin. Shivani, okay. Shivani can answer it. Your third one in the.
Sir, y-intercept 3 by 2 x is 0. X-intercept is 0.
X-intercept is 0 alla. Theta. Okay. All of you have finished. Say the. Have you finished? Say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now third one I am discussing. Third one is 3y plus 2 equal to 0. I want to make right side 1. Is that okay? I want to make right side 1. Actually, reduce the following into intercept form. This one is extremely difficult to express in intercept form, but let us write a few steps. I want to make right side 1. Let me transfer the 2 to the other side. 3y equal to minus 2. 3y equal to minus 2. So here the problem is, okay, the x is not available here. So let me write 0x for the time being because x is absent. If x is absent, you may write 0x. If y is absent, you may write 0y. No problem. My objective is I want to make right side 1. To make right side 1, I have to divide each side by minus 2. In fact, you will not get the intercept form for this equation. I am taking some effort, but after 2 steps, we can understand that the intercept form is impossible for this equation. 0 by minus 2 will be 0 itself. 0 by minus 2, 0 itself. And this one, you may take 3 to the denominator side. Y by minus 2 by 3. 1. In some adjustment, we can write the intercept form, but that is not the correct value. We can make some adjustment. So anyway, I got this equation. 0 by minus 2, 0. This one is y by minus 2 by 3. Here there is no issue, equal to 1. But it is not in the form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That y by b okay, right side 1 is also okay, but currently I don't have x by a here. I don't have x by a. In exam, if this question is asked, you have to write all these steps. Later you can write intercept form is impossible, okay? So till this step you are okay, till this step you are okay. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So 0 I can write when adjustment 0x is 0 itself. I can write x by infinity. 0 can be written as 1 by infinity, but that is not a right, just an adjustment, okay, just an adjustment. 0 is 1 by infinity. Why? What is the reason? Why 0 is said to be 1 by infinity? I will tell you the reason. Because 1 by a very, very large number. Look at this. Infinity stands for a very, very large number. Infinity. For example, 1 by infinity. Can I read this as 1 by infinity? Infinity is very extremely large number. This is 1 by infinity. Is it a 0? Yes, approximately it is 0. 1 by this very large number will be 0.0000 like that. Approximately I can say it is 0. So just an approximation work, okay, not exact. So 0 I can write 1 by a very, very large number. So 1 by infinity plus y by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Is that okay? All of you clear? Shivani, Deva, Ashlin, Said, understood till this step?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is an adjustment, but in fact there is no number infinity. It's very, very large number, that's all. So x-intercept is infinity, but infinity, is there any number infinity? No. So we simply say like this, x-intercept is not defined. Or you may write infinity, don't worry, you will get mark, but we normally say x-intercept not defined. Y-intercept is there. The number below y is y-intercept. You can write x-intercept as either infinity or not defined. Y-intercept is there minus 2 by 3. So what does it mean actually? What is the meaning of this equation? I mean, what is the line? How can we draw the line? X-intercept equal to infinity means the given line never cut x-axis. No x-intercept means the line never cut x-axis. Because if the line cut like this, it has x-intercept. Or if the line go like this, it will have x-intercept. Does not have x-intercept means the line should be parallel to x-axis. If the line goes parallel to x-axis, no x-intercept. The line will never cut x-axis. So one information is the line should be parallel to x-axis. Because the no x-intercept. Never intersect x-axis. Y-intercept is minus 2 by 3 means it cut y-axis at minus 2 by 3. The line cut y-axis at minus 2 by 3, but it never cut x-axis means the line goes like this, parallel to x-axis. If you look at the diagram, it is clear that no x-intercept, never cut x-axis. But the line cut y-axis at minus 2 by 3, hence y-intercept is minus 2 by 3. So the given line is actually a horizontal line, okay, like this. So the answer is x-intercept not defined, y-intercept is minus 2 by 3. So all of you please write down. The graph is not required for this problem, but we understand the meaning of the equation. So you please write down. If you are written and no doubt, you please raise your hand. Remove your old raise hand. ശിവാനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ? ശിവാനി, ആഷ്ലിൻ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ? ആഷ്ലിൻ, സെയ്ദ്,
Yes, sir.
ദേവശ്രീ, യു ആർ ഓക്കെ? ദേവശ്രീ, ഹലോ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you are finished. All of you are finished. You just revise the textbook questions. All type of questions are there in textbook. Shiva, Devasri, I will send the additional question. Okay, I have not forgotten. I will send the motion in 1D, right? Motion in one dimension and plane. I mean motion in a plane. These two extra questions you require, right?
Motion in a straight line.
Motion in a straight line and
Motion in a plane.
yes, both. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The next heading. All of you please write down. So we studied interceptive form, slope interceptive form, etc. The next heading is angle between two lines. We have a formula, but proof is not required. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Two lines are given. This is L1, straight line 1, and this is straight line 2. The angle between the line is taken as this one. This is the angle between lines, theta. We measure the acute angle. We don't measure this as the angle between the line. I will show you. We don't take this as the angle between L1 and L2. We take only the acute angle. We need take the angle less than or equal to 90. That is taken as the angle between two lines. So I want angle between two lines L1 and L2. The slope is given to us. The L1 has the slope m1 and L2 has slope m2. If the slope is not given, if the equation is given, we will express in slope interceptive form and we will find the slope. I have already discussed. If the equation of the line is given, we will convert to y equal to mx plus c form. Then we will find out m. To find the angle between the two lines, I want the slope of the line. Memorize this formula without any proof. The angle between two lines is given by the formula tan theta equal to modulus m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1. Both are same thing because modulus is there. m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. All of you please memorize this formula. This is the angle between two lines. Tan theta equal to modulus m1 minus m2. Modulus sign is required. Divide by 1 plus m1 m2. Please write down. If you have written, raise your hand. If you have written, raise your hand. Shivani, everyone is okay? Finished? Say the Shivani, Ashley. Okay. Let me.
1 minute.
Okay, sure. So, let me discuss question. Question number 8. I am going to discuss question number 8. This one, angle between two lines. Normally, the equation will be given. You have to find the slopes. To find the angle between the two lines, I want the slope. The steps are required. Okay, steps are required. So I want diagram is not needed. I want the angle between two lines. The slope is not given. Only equation of the lines are given. So yes, there is a way. You have to convert each equation into slope interceptive form. Slope interceptive form is a very important form. Every equation can be expressed as y equal to mx plus c. By simply looking at the coefficient of x, you will get slope. C I don't need. C I don't want. I want m. So just express y equal to mx plus c. You will get m slope. So the first line is root 3x plus y equal to 1. Shivani parayano. Root 3x plus y equal to 1 is the first line. I want to convert to y equal to mx plus c. Y alone kept in the left side. Y alone. Root 3x taken to other side. Root 3x becomes minus root 3x. What is m now? This is y equal to mx plus c. So this is m, correct? So m is the slope of the line. First line has the slope m1. So m1 equal to minus root 3. 1 I don't need. So y-intercept I don't want. So m1 equal to minus root 3. All of you clear? Shivani, Devasri, Ashlin, Said, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then second line. What is the second line? The second line is x plus root 3y equal to 1. The second line is x plus root 3y is equal to 1. I want to convert to the form y equal to mx plus c. Y. X is taken to the other side. Root 3y equal to minus x plus 1. X is taken to other side, it becomes minus x. I want y only. I want y only. So you do one thing. I want y, right? Okay. Divide root 3 each sides like this. Root 3, I don't need root 3. That's why. Dividing left side and right side by root 3. Why? Because root 3 cancel, I will get y equal to minus 1 by root 3x plus 1 by root 3. So y equal to mx plus c form. This is slope of the second line. So the slope of the second line m2 will be minus 1 by root 3. All these steps to be written. Okay. M1, the slopes are needed. To find angle between two lines, we need slope of the line. First line has slope minus root 3. The second line has slope minus 1 by root 3. All of you clear? Shivani, Devasri, Ashlin, Said, everyone is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the formula? And how will you find the angle between two lines? Formula will be tan theta equal to modulus. Either you may write m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1. But because in some books I have seen m2 minus m1. But don't worry. Modulus sign is there. So m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1. You will be getting the same value. 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is what? Minus root 3. Minus m2 is what? Minus 1 by root 3. You use bracket. Is it m1 minus m2? Yes. m1 and m2 substitute. Then divide by 1 plus m1 into m2. Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. മൈനസ് റൂട്ട് 3 ഇൻറ്റു കിട്ടി 30 ആണ് കിട്ടിയത്. അതെയോ 3 മൈനസ് 1 2 അതെ യെസ് എന്നാലും ശിവാനി ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം ഒന്ന് ചെയ്തു കേട്ടോ. ഇത് എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാലേ ശിവാനി അല്ലേ? ഇതൊന്ന് നോക്ക്. എക്സ് മൈനസ് 2y പ്ലസ് 7 ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. എക്സ് പ്ലസ് 3y പ്ലസ് 11 ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. ഈ രണ്ട് ലൈൻ ഇടയ്ക്കുള്ള ആംഗിൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് ആൻസർ പറയണേ. ഓക്കെ. So others, please listen. Modulus minus root 3 simplification. Here minus of minus becomes plus 1 by root 3. Denominator is 1 plus. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Minus minus becomes plus. Root 3 by root 3 1. Numerator side you can do the cross multiplication. Minus root 3 into root 3. Cross multiplication. Minus root 3 into root 3 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 divide by root 3. Numerator side. Let me finish. After that you can ask me doubts. Do the cross multiplication. Minus 3 plus 1 by root 3 divide by 2. Modulus minus 2 divided by 2 root 3. 2 cancels and negative also removed. Modulus sign. 2 cancel, you will get 1 by root 3. Tan theta 1 by root 3. What is theta? 30 degree. You know that tan 30 root 1 by root 3. Studied in trigonometry. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So theta is 30 degree. So all of you please write down. All of you please write down. If you don't understand, you please ask. If you don't understand, please ask.
സർ 45 ഡിഗ്രിയാണ്.
അതെ, കറക്റ്റാണ്, കറക്റ്റാണ്. ദേവശ്രീ, ആഷ്ലിൻ, സെയ്ദ്, understood? Okay, all of you, please remove your raise hand, and if you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Remove all the raise hand. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Shivani, okay. Devasri, okay. Ashlin, clear. Said, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay. I will give you one. Okay, I will let me discuss another question. Shivani, I will give you another one. Okay, for you. Or you take time and do this problem. Let me see whether you are able to do or not. X minus 2y. Shivani, I will give you a separate question. Okay. Others, please try this question. X minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. And x plus 3y plus 11 equal to 0. Same method, very similar to the previous question. Find the angle between the lines. Within 3 minutes, you have to solve it. Okay, Shivani, ഞാൻ വേറൊരു question തരാം. Okay, because സ്വല്പം indirect ആക്കി തരാം. Shivani, ഇതൊന്ന് ചെയ്യാട്ടോ. Shivani. Angle between the lines ആണ്. Others, say the Ashlin, Devasre, you try this question. Very similar to previous question. You have to find the slope. Formula tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Within 3 minutes, do it. 1 minute. Let me select that question. So the angle between the lines is okay. Angle between the line is okay. Let us learn two cases. Let us learn two cases. Case 1. I will discuss more problems tomorrow. Okay. The two cases you please learn. If two lines are parallel, what is the condition? Two lines are parallel. Lines like this. Understood? If two lines are parallel, the first one has slope m1, the second one has slope m2. The condition is, if the two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Please memorize. Two lines are equal. Sorry, if the lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Understood? The slopes are equal. I hope you have understood. Then next is case 2. Two lines are perpendicular. I will discuss more problems tomorrow. If two lines are perpendicular, I mean the lines look like this. One has slope m1, other one slope m2. If the two lines are perpendicular, derivation is not needed. It is obtained from the formula tan theta, but derivation will not be asked in exam, so I don't want to spend time for derivation. So please memorize these two cases. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is equal to -1. So please write down. If you have written, please remove your old raise hand. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. And here you may write one note. It is helpful in a few questions. Note. You may write one note here under the column case 1. Note. Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus problem I will discuss in the next class, but don't forget it, are always parallel. Why always parallel? If you express in y equal to mx plus c and find slope, you are able to express in the form y equal to mx plus c and you can find out slope. If you find the slope, you can see that both of them having same slope. Both the line having same slope. Hence they are always parallel. So the nature of the parallel line is, if you write the equation of two parallel lines, both of them having same x value and y value. X value and y value will be same, only the constant term will be different. This is helpful in doing certain problems. So remember, if two lines are parallel, slope will be equal. So here, look at the equation. If the terms of x and y are same, common. If the terms of x and y are common, same, the two lines will be parallel. Because if you find the slope, you will be getting same slopes. Derivation is not required. All of you please write down a problem I will discuss in the next class tomorrow. Okay? Please write down. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Tomorrow I will discuss problems based on parallel and perpendicular. Finished? Ashlyn, Devasri, Said, Shivani, completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, then let me wind up today's class. I will discuss problems tomorrow, okay? I hope by tomorrow I can finish this chapter, okay? So, let me wind up the class, okay? If you have written, you may leave the meeting, okay?